So we have till now see that there are lots of processes in ready queue and they have to go to a running state. Okay, and this happen with the help of CPU scheduler. Okay, so on which basis CPU scheduler select a process and take it to the running state? If suppose there are P1, P2, P3, P4 processes present here, so on which basis CPU select these processes? So there are basically four main bases on which CPU select these things. So first one is the maximum CPU utilization. Schedulers select these processes on the basis in which CPU work maximum number of times. It does not happen that CPU sit ideal and it does not work anything. So it will select a process on the basis that CPU utilization time increases. Next, minimum turnaround time. Turnaround time. Okay, let me give you example. Suppose a process enter at 9 a.m. Okay, and it exit after doing its process completion at 9:30 a.m. Okay, okay. First it enter at 9 a.m. It wait 2 minutes. Then at 9:02 it enter here. Okay, then it work for 5 seconds. Okay, 9 7. Then it go for, as a result of time quantum it go here. Wait 2 more seconds. It come here. Wait go 2 more seconds. Come here. Wait go here to 8. So total 8 minutes here is spent and 22 minutes is spent here. Okay. Okay. So minimum turnaround time means the time when it enter and time when it exit. Okay. The difference of these time is called turnaround time. So here the turnaround time is just 30 minutes. Okay, so we have to select a process on that basis where turnaround time become minimum. Okay, I hope you understand. 30 minus 9:30 minus 9, 30 minutes of turnaround time. Okay, next, minimum wait time. Okay, wait time. What is wait time here? Wait time basically means here in within 30 minutes CPU only work for 22 minutes. 8 minutes it is spent in a ready queue. Ready queue time is basically known as a wait time, where it does not process, does not work anything, just waiting to get its chance. So 8 minutes is waiting time. So this time is called, have to be a minimum. Okay. Next is minimum response time. Okay. Response time is basically when CPU first, when process first time get a CPU, in how much time CPU first time get a process. To it enter at 9, it get chance first time at 9 too. So how much after time it get first chance? It get within 2 minutes. So 2 minutes is a response time. So we have to make a process in such a way that these conditions must be fulfilled: maximum CPU utilization, minimum turnaround time, minimum wait time, and minimum response time. And there are lots of algorithms. So in next video we will discuss about FCFS, first come first serve algorithm. But before that we have to know some basic formula which is used in each and every algorithm. First one is turnaround time. Turnaround time is equal to exit time minus arrival time. Okay, I said you 9:30 minus 9, 30 minutes. Okay, same formula. Next, waiting time. Waiting time means turnaround time. Turnaround time minus brush time. Brush time. What is brush time? Brush time is CPU time. CPU execution time. Just in the previous example. CPU execution time is just 22 minutes. Okay. So what happened? 30 minutes is turnaround time minus 22 minutes of CPU execution. So waiting time is 8 minutes. Okay. So these two are very important formula. In upcoming video you will see that in each and every question we have to use these two formula. These two are the one of the important formula. I hope you understand this. Brush time. Brush time means CPU execution time, how much time CPU take to complete the process. Okay, I hope you understand. In next video we will start with FCFS. Okay, first come first serve algorithm. In upcoming videos here almost you can understand the most of the theory part is completed. Now what will come? 2 to 3 minutes of theory part, then 10 to 15 minutes of a question. So now the numerical problems of the operating system start from the next video, where we discuss about lots of numerical problem. In each algorithm we will discuss about 2 to 3 numerical problems. So stay tuned with me. Do not only learn the theory, do solve some problem. In next video I will going to solve 2 to 3 problem in every algorithm. You have to understand these problem and also solve by yourself some algorithm problem, so that you get lot of knowledge. So I hope you understand. We will meet in the next video.